Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using Sumo Fiber Internet services. Sumo Fiber offers cutting-edge fiber internet connectivity, promising blazing fast speeds and dependable service. Their website, located at https://sumofiber.com, showcases their commitment to providing a superior online experience. Visiting their site, you'll discover detailed information about their various internet plans, tailored to meet a range of needs and budgets. They emphasize low-latency connections, perfect for gamers, streamers, and anyone who requires a responsive internet connection for activities like video conferencing or working from home. Sumo Fiber's dedication to customer satisfaction is apparent in their readily accessible support resources and transparent pricing structure. The website provides a convenient way to check service availability at your specific address, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring you can access their high-speed internet. Beyond just internet service, they often feature promotional deals and bundle options, adding value for customers seeking comprehensive connectivity solutions. Sumo Fiber aims to deliver a reliable, high-performance internet experience that empowers users to fully embrace the digital world. They highlight the advantages of fiber optic technology, emphasizing its speed and stability compared to traditional cable or DSL connections. For anyone searching for a faster, more reliable internet provider, exploring Sumo Fiber's offerings at https://sumofiber.com is certainly worth considering. They appear dedicated to providing not only a robust internet service, but also a positive customer experience, from sign-up to ongoing support. Be sure to explore their website for the most up-to-date information on their services, availability, and current promotions. This is a great starting point to see if Sumo Fiber is the right fit for your internet needs. For more detailed information, remember to visit https://sumofiber.com. This will allow you to explore their plans, check availability, and learn more about their commitment to high-quality internet service. Remember to check the description below for the direct link.